Okay, so we're back at Beachcomber. We've been here for a week. We're about to leave to go to another hotel. Alright, so you've got same mirror, extra light, your tissues, towels, hair dryer, they give you extra tissues, toilet paper, stuff like that. Yeah, so you've got plenty of cupboard space. Like, we use that to hang our clothes once they're washed because there is laundry facilities. You've got in there, you've got your ironing table, safe, etc. You've got more spot up top. You got your toilet. You have your artwork to look at while you pee for the boys. And in here we've got your shower, pretty standard. It's big enough. It's good water pressure. You can adjust the head however you want. They give you like little goodies. And yeah, we're all packed, way too much stuff. Hello again. So all the artwork seems to be pretty similar. I think it's the same every room. You've got your air conditioning, thank God, for me anyway. You've got like different lights that you can use, but some of these are a bit stupid. The switch is under there for down the bottom, and then you got to get in here awkwardly for that switch. So I don't get it, it's stupid. TV remote, obviously TV, bigger TV. I never ever used a TV. We're always balcony or out or something. You've got chair, obviously a piece at the end that you can sit on. Lamp if you're a reader. Another couch. Lighting, typical hotel, it's pretty dull, but they're not too bad at night. Table, we actually used a couple of times this time, just easier after the operation. But yeah, you've got, in here, we've got coffee, you got your ice bucket. If you see the girls in the hallway, they'll give you more coffee, water, fridge was full of alcohol and protein drinks. We used the drawers this time just to store a heap of stuff because we had a lot of different medication, etc. But yeah, as for that, I'll take you outside, show you the view. But yeah, it's a nice room. We did a deal through Luxury Escapes, and it was, I think it was about $2,300. That included breakfast and daily cocktail. Yeah, which was cheap for 5 nights. So we're about to head across the road to a different outrigger for 6 nights before. And if anyone does have any questions, feel free. Hopefully I can talk properly soon. But yeah, so we'll leave it at that. Like I said, part 2, completely different type of thing this time, review wise. But like I said, it's perfect location. It's at everything. You don't have to walk very far if you want to stay like in Waikiki. The beach is like 2-minute walk, if that. You can literally walk across the road down the alleyway. But you've got plenty of options. So yeah, apart from that, that's about it. Okay, so outside. Raining in the mountain. Got ocean view. Everything is like walking distance, easily. You got Duke's Lane. So you got cheap shopping. Next door you've got international marketplace. You got 2 seats, little table. But I don't think it matters where you are, the view is always good, really. Obviously that shut me out.